Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and you guys probably know what this pink bag means. It means that my IPSY's here. So let's open it up and see what I got this month. Ooh, oh my gosh, I love it already. I love those bags too. So look at this brush. It's like a mermaid brush. Holy shamoly. This is too cute. And it's a fan brush, which is awesome because I don't have a fan brush. Look at how cool that is. I just love the handle, and it feels really good in your hand. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Done. I could be done right now because I'm so happy with that. Okay, well then I also got this bag. It's cute with all the little women on it and the beautiful pink zipper with the ribbon. I'm loving it. And before I even open it, I have 2 PM masks. They are Nourish and Moisture by Meg. And cleanse face, unfold mask, leave on for 15 or 20 minutes, remove, and gently pat to absorb remaining essence. So, skin feeling stressed from a long day, say goodbye to rough and dry skin. End your night with a rejuvenating PM mask. How cool. I am liking those. I will use those for sure. This is so cool. Alright, so let's see what else I got in my little bag. Ooh. Oh, I'm so excited. And this has the little IPSY tag right in there. How cute is that? This is a really cute bag. So this says, Create, March 2018, which makes me happy. I just like this. This month, turn yourself and your world into a work of art. Redecorate your space, mash up 2 lipsticks to blend your own custom shade, rethink your wardrobe, pairing prints and combos you would never usually try. Turn your Instagram pics into a real-life gallery. Dust off your guitar and start strumming. Dance, sing, sculpt, write. It's time to create your masterpiece. And need a starting point? Get creative with this month's coloring book inspired glam bag. We even included 2 markers, but feel free to use as many colors as you like to help you unleash the artist within. Share your creation on social media and tag IPSY and IPSY Create for a chance to be featured on your IPSY.com. Well, how cool is that? So that's what these are for, to color. That is cute. Super cute. So these are 2 items, you get 5. So this is my number 3, and this is called Sex Kitten by Tarte. And this writing is gold and very hard for me to read. I have no idea what this is. Ooh, it's like a beautiful eyeliner. I bet it's to make cat eyes. It's like a beautiful black eyeliner. Oh, how nice. I can't read it at all. But it has a little cute kitty cat down there. I can see that. Sex Kitten. That's hilarious. By Tarte. Huh, I like it. So happy with this box. Woo! Throwing stuff around. This is Mellow, and it's in the color Nude. And I'm not usually a nude lipstick lover, but it has a pretty, I mean, if it's that color. And it is not. It is a nude. So I'm not sure. Oh, I like how it's written on there. It says Mellow. Same as this. I'm not opposed to it. I'm just not, well, that color isn't so nude. I just don't think it looks that great on me, but maybe. I'll give it a try. You know, you never know. You never know. And what is in this fancy box? Sinister. Made in China, furlesscosmetics.com. This says Furless. I have no idea what this means. Furless. Pretty wrapper, or pretty packaging. Furless. Loose eyeshadow pigment. And it looks gold. And it is gold. Ooh, look at that. That's actually pretty cool. Huh. I am going to have to give that a whirl. So that is what I got in my IPSY box. I am thrilled. I think that I like everything. I even like this lipstick color that I did not think I would like. So we shall see. I don't know, but you know, you never do know. But I do like this. I think that's really cool. I can work with that. And I love this because I always need black eyeliner that's easy to put on, and I love Tarte, so that makes me happy. And then the coloring is fun, although I'm probably not going to color it because I like it black and white like that. And you know, the brush is all right. It'll do. I'm just teasing. I love it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and IPSY is available if you go to IPSY.com. It's a once-a-month subscription box, $10. It'll get you 5 free samples, and for this month they gave me 2 masks as 1 sample. Super cool. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.